Hello friends, welcome to Unique Coding Heroes. So in previous tutorial we have covered our property files where we have created our files, and in property file we have written the configuration. So today's tutorial we will be discussing how we can create entities. So in our project for what we have to require, we have to write some kind of entities like a table in where basically using which we will be doing a further operations. So we will be creating columns basically like artisan position, artisan name, artisan details, and information. So like this, if you can see whatever I am writing, it's an entity. So that's why I have to give the entity annotation here. And in the entity annotation, we have written what entity, what kind of entity it would be, and these are all entity okay. So and then we have imported data. Basically what it will do, it will generate all the fields and a useful toString method. So basically it's while writing entity we have to define this one like that. Okay, then we have data basically it's a kind of like it will generate a useful toString method. Yeah, then we have a no constructor. In no constructor basically it will generate an error message if such a constructor cannot be written due to the existence of final fields. So basically a no constructor is like a it's like an annotation. It's like a, it's basically if you get to know all this document, you will get to understand like why we use. It will generate error message. It will generate error message if such a constructor cannot be written. um, so basically here we define if you go inside this method, you will get to know no our constructor is the constructor will be private and additional static constructor is generated. So basically it is used to uh, uh, any annotation listed here on the general constructor. So basically if you read it properly, get to know why we use no or constructor. If we set the generated constructor will be private, and additional static constructor will be generated with the same argument list, perhaps the real constructor. So okay, so it's a kind of method to generate okay. So basically, so like this you can read it in detail. Okay, so let's continue our this file, and then we have made the id. So this column we are making as a primary key, so that's why we use id. And column we can define it here, the column size, what will be the column, the length of that entity which we are creating, what will be the length of that entity. So entity, like we can define it primary. Okay, so here you can see you can do so we have taken private double artisan detail, and like this artisan renumeration to like this we can you know we can create details limit. So we have created all this column here, and like so this is like kind of like whatever we are annotation we are giving, it's automatically importing the table as a kind of automatically importing its dependencies like import. Okay, so like this we can create a kind of entity. So let's move on to the next tutorial, and we will be creating all this repository and the services and the model control and configuration one by one. Okay, thank you for watching.